Hey, so I'm making a Spider-Man suit. Well, sort of. You'll see. But yeah, I got inspiration because at my work in the Lost and Found were two of the same sweatshirts, which random, but one was black and one was a two-tone red, and the black one was medium, which is like tight on me, and I don't really like when my sweatshirts are that tight, but the red one was a large or an extra large. So I thought maybe I could take these two and make Miles Morales's Spidey suit design. And that's what I'm doing here. Sorry, I have to yawn. So, I'm gonna insert the clip right now of me showing the before of the black and the red, and then I have my little sketchbook and I sketched some designs and kind of what his logo looks like, and then I'm just gonna go from there. So far, I have taken my scissors to the piece and I'm going to start sewing soon, but I figured I'd show you what I've cut. So, sorry about that. So we have the red body of the sweatshirt you saw already cut out. The hood is cut out, and if you flip it inside out, it's the red some more, so I'll keep that. And then the sleeves over here are that maroon. The inside is not red. So, because this was a little tight on the tummy area, I cut the sides up to the arm, because the arms fit fine, it's just the bottom of it's a little thick. So what I'm going to do is, oh, a little blurry, we have the logo and the stripe that'll be put on in red, and then for the sides here I'm going to use the maroon because it's not as bright, it blends a little better. And then so this will still be the focal, but we'll still get like a pop of this on the side. But yeah, that's the plan. Red here, red there, logo. I know that the logo, there's a logo on the back from pictures on Pinterest. I'm gonna go back into the movie to double check that the art is the same, as well as like how the like shoulder to chest piece, as well as what it does on the back, because does it do the same point on the back? Does it just stop around the sleeve? I'm gonna check that. It's on Netflix, so it's easy enough to go find, as well as Pinterest has a lot of art, but some of it is fan art, and so like somebody has like 2 lines here, but it's only 1. So just gonna check my references, and I'll update you soon on the sewing. Alright, an update. I just hand sewed on the red shoulders. Here's what they're looking like. I'm gonna cover up the Nike logo when I do the spider. But yeah, I like it. You can see in the back mirror, the points are on the back as well. I really like it. But yeah, update, hand sewed these on. Took like, well, I've done it over the course of 2 days. 1 day for each of them. Hours. Copious hours. Probably like 4, maybe more. Poked my fingers a lot, but not too bad. I really like it. Also, curling my hair. That's what this is. But yeah, catch you in a sec. One of the only times I used the machine was to sew up the side extra seams with the maroon and the black, which you can see here. So I made a tube and I gotta turn it, but I just wanted to share. There are these things called tube turners. You see the little hook? Yeah. Little hook, end on it, strict. You go all the way through. This little hook end clips on the fabric and then you pull it through. So I'm gonna do that and show you. Let me just feed it through real quick. Oh no, I unhooked it because it got stuck right here. Hold on. Crap. Dang it. It started to work as soon as I turned the camera on. Okay, I'm gonna try it without the camera. It's been pulled through. I guess that stick was camera shy, but yeah. So there's where the seam was on the inside. You can iron it out. Now it's just a little tube. Yay! Good morning. We are starting day 4. They haven't been whole days. They've been like 5-hour days, but we're starting day 4. And we as in me, you're here on this journey. The front graffiti with the circle around it was bothering me, that I couldn't figure out how I wanted to do it. So I just turned it around and started working on the one on the back because it doesn't have a circle, and then I can at least see how it looks and see how if I want to transfer that to the other one. So this is what it looks like so far. I have this side sewn down. I haven't gotten to this side of it, but I did the maroon on the other side to give it like a shadow if you see the maroon. I have the mesh to then cut into the drippy I want to. It's pinned, it's sewed. When I first did it, I didn't give it this like butt piece. It only had that, and I was like, that's a crab. Now it's a spider. So I have to add that, but I'm also going to add mesh across half the like body. But yeah, I'm feeling good about this, and it's making me feel better about going to work on the other side after. So I feel better. I want to finish this, try it on, see how it looks, and see if it's transferable to the front. Because there's no way that I can use the same technique of like sewing it right sides together and flipping it out, because I can't do that with the outside circle. But I could probably make them separate and then stick them together. But yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm figuring it out. Still having lots of fun, but my thumb is numb and my pointer finger has some little like, both my pointer fingers have like little puncture holes. I have a puncture hole on the front. You know, hand sewing. That's what happens. I've used my machine for a few, but not as much as I would want to. Like, I want to use it for everything, but it's just not going to give the same look as me doing it by hand and making all the tiny small stitches. So yeah, that's where I'm at. That's what I'm working with. I had to iron this. I had to iron this a little bit, and don't own an iron, so I used a hair straightener I haven't used in years. Heck, it worked, but I used it on one of the lower settings just because I don't know the exact temperature of hair straighteners, but I don't think I needed it on like a 15. I used it on 5. But yeah, that's what we're working with. Gonna continue hand sewing, so see you later. Is gonna be your best friend when you hand sew, because I stopped ripping up my fingers because of this thimble. Here is the back done, which I'm super excited with how it looks. And so I took a photo, and then I'm wearing it also so you can kind of see how it lays. But then also the front's done, so that's super exciting. I did it! I made the thing. And by made, I'm using it as just as broadly as Miles does. But yeah. There's my front, arm, and sleeve for that little peekaboo. I love it. I'm excited by it. I was recontemplating the sides being maroon, but I like that it's different and not just all black. But yeah, I am waiting before I wake my brother up to go take photos. I'm excited. And now for the photo shoot that I got my brother to come take, and he was tired and didn't really want to, but he loves me. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you make one yourself or just enjoyed watching. I had fun